I've given you a few steps here just to make it easier. So the first thing is we're going to arrange the numbers with the decimal in line. This will make more sense once I do an example, but basically we're going to put the numbers one on top of one another and then put the decimals in line with one another. Then if there are no numbers, we're going to fill it with a 0. Again, this is going to make more sense once we do an example. Then we're going to use our long addition and subtraction methods to help us. So I'm going to do an example. So we're going to do 2 examples. So if we go 7,041 plus 3,52 plus 0,102. And we want to add these together. Now I'm going to follow my first step where I'm going to arrange these on top of one another, but put the decimal in line. So we're going to take our 7,041, okay? We're going to add our 3,52, but I'm going to make sure that comma is right underneath each other, okay? And then we're going to add the 0,102. So as you can see, all the commas are underneath each other. Now we don't have a 0, we don't have a number over here by the 3,52, so we're going to just put a 0 there. So that's what I mean by the second step. Okay, so now we're going to use our long addition. So we go 1 plus 0 plus 2, that gives me 3. 4 plus 2 plus 0 gives me 6. 0 plus 5 plus 1 gives me 6. And now since all those commas are in line, we're going to take it down and we're going to put the comma down there as well. Then we're going to go 7 plus 3 plus 0, which is 10. Okay, and our answer is 10,663. All right, second example. So example 2. We want to take 14,734 and, sorry, other way around. I want to say subtract 14,734 from 23,8. Okay, so we want to take that 14,73 from the 23.8. Okay, so it's like removing someone from a room. Okay, you're going to remove that person from the room. You're not going to remove everyone else from the room. So we're going to keep the 23,8 there, and we're only going to subtract the 14,734. Like that. Okay, so we're going to arrange it that it's 23,8, and then we're going to minus 14, keeping the commas with each other, 734. Now at the top, we've got 2 digits missing, so we're going to fill it with 0. Okay, and now we're going to go 0 minus 4. That can't happen, so we have to borrow from the next number. The next number is also 0, so we have to borrow from the 8. So the 8 becomes 9. Let's do this in a different color. Okay, the 8 becomes 7, sorry, not 9. And we're going to give a 1 to the 0, so that becomes 10. Okay, but remember we had to borrow from this one as well, so that becomes 9, and we give the 0 1. So it will be 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 7 is 0. And now since these commas are in line with one another, we're going to put 1 here as well. Then it's going to be 3 minus 4. We can't do that, so we have to borrow from its neighbor. And it's going to become 1. And we give 1 to the 3. So that's now 13 minus 4, which is 9. And then 1 minus 1, which is 0. So our final answer is 9,066. Okay, so very easy. And I will post your homework on Teams.